James back with another review video. This one's about ADA Leadz. This looks like an amazing product and piece of software. So let me just go through the basics. Then I'm going to hand over to the founder, which I always like to do in my review. There's nothing more like hearing from the person who created the actual platform or the software themselves. But just to go through the basics of it, what is ADA Leadz? What does it mean for you? ADA lead generation is a website audit and business search feature. It finds leads and businesses that are not yet ADA compliant and create beautiful website audit. Just enter a keyword and choose a location. So what does that mean, ADA compliant? Let's have a look. ADA compliance, what does it mean? More businesses are asking these questions due to the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA standards for accessible design, which the US Department of Justice released in 2010. These standards require companies to offer and maintain sites that people with disabilities can use and access. So basically, websites that are user-friendly for those with disabilities, okay? So if they're not compliant with that, since the Act of 2010, what this software is going to do is you can choose, go and look for those sites. It could be a real estate business, could be any kind of local business or any website. And if the software goes through and spots that it's not ADA compliant, it will do a website audit where you can actually sell that off to that report off to a business so they can improve their website. So your prospects contains all your prospects collected using the ADA lead generation system. So it will collect your leads as well. You can manage leads, create reports, contact prospects directly, and much more. So it sort of funnels those leads through as well. Professional audits and reports, like I said, it's going to create that automatically for you. To get clients to hire you almost instantly or charge for a website audit directly. So you can charge local clients for this. You can make some money off this. This is a great tool. ADA widget upgrade and SEO audits for the performance. So look, without further ado, I'm going to hand it over to Mario right now, and he's just going to give you a bit of an insight, and I'll come back later on. Thanks.
Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I want to invite you to my next launch on November 30th. Now, the software is called ADA Leadz. It's the first ever software platform in our space, the online marketing space, that goes out there and can do a full audit of any website out there for ADA compliance, okay? So your customers, your newsletter subscribers, they can use our software and, check in their local area, let's say in Miami or any city that you can imagine, and go through the list of local businesses and check each business to see if they are ADA compliant, okay? And so they can charge for the audit. It's a great foot in the door strategy. And then also they can actually convert the prospect into a customer because our software then gives them a beautiful report that lists everything that is non-compliant with ADA. They can customize the report. They can white label the report. We have lead management system built in as well. We have done for you emails that they can send out as well. And that report, it's printable on demand. They can use it as a lead magnet. They can use it to bring attention to the business, to the awareness about ADA compliance. They can use it to close the client. It's a great software for that, okay? If you want to know more about ADA compliance, there's some news reports, some news videos below this video from CNN, from Fox News, and from other outlets where you can see that ADA website compliance, it's a huge deal right now in the United States, but even worldwide. And if a business doesn't have a website that is ADA compliant, they are open to massive lawsuits, okay? We're talking tens of thousands of dollars. Huge companies have already been sued. Influencers have been sued. Celebrities have been sued, and now they're going after small business owners as well, okay? Now, there have been lead generation platforms out there before for SEO, reputation management, social media, but it is all very, very saturated, okay? The nice thing about ADA Leadz is that it's a new topic, it's unique, it's fresh, and it solves a real problem, which is ADA compliance, right? And on the sales page, we have massive proof because there's many, many lawsuits right now out there. We have TV, as you can see, news reports. We have New York Times, we have CNN, Fox News, all of them are reporting about it. This is not going away. It's actually turning into a bigger and bigger problem, and our software helps solve that problem, right? So it's great for local marketers, for agents.
Great, guys. I hope you enjoyed that insight there from Mario about this extraordinary app that will enable you to set up your own ADA agency pretty much, and you can market to local businesses. Now, if that's something you're looking for, there will be a link in the description. And this software really does sound like it is in a niche area, and it's normally a lot of competition, like Mario said, in the SEO area, trying to get clients and all that. And I've done a lot of that in the past as well. But this is a really great idea and a great creative way to reach out to local marketers and online marketers. So if that's you, grab the link in, hit the link in there. Now I think it's available from the 30th, but you might be able to sign up for a pre-order below. And as a bonus, guys, for watching this video and this short review about 88 Leadz, I've got some free training for you below. You know, if you're interested and you're online, you're wanting to make money, maybe you're already running in a business selling other people's products or local businesses, you're hiring out your service to that. But if you want to learn how to make 10K a month online selling other people's products, I've got some free training below in there where myself and my mentor help train you in the area. So if you want to learn how to do that, you're going to see what you're going to see in the free training. What you can expect is a demonstration of a new model that my mentor is using to make 7 figures from home without needing to create your own product or websites to sell anything yourself. So how he does this, you can do this with zero experience online. So you don't have to worry about that. There's no hard cost, technical skills, get customers using 100% free proven methods, which I can highly vouch for. You'll see how you can 90% of the hard work is already done for you inside the free training, and how you can sell other people's proven products. So if that's for you as well, it's a bonus just for coming on and watching this. Sign up for the free training below, and maybe we'll see you on the inside. But thanks for watching this 88 Leadz review, and I really think this is a great software and opportunity. Let me know your comments below. Like, subscribe. There will be more videos so I can give you an insight to help you make a buying decision on some of these products. But I hope you've enjoyed this, and we'll see you again soon.